Hey guys, welcome back to Power Weight Fitness. Today we are doing a CrossFit inspired home workout. Better yet, a CrossFit inspired home workout without equipment. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to go for jump squats, 10 of them, 5 CrossFit burpees, so chest to grass and back up with a little jump, and then 10 calories of jumping jacks. The way I'm going to count calories is by using my watch, and that's also how I'm going to time this workout. So we're going for as many rounds as possible for 15 minutes today. So it's not gonna be easy, not gonna waste any more time. Hopefully you guys are a little bit warmed up. And we are starting with jump squats. When I press this button, so guys join me. We're going 10 jump squats, 5 burpees, 10 calories of jumping jacks. 10 calories of jumping jacks for me are about a minute. So not waste any more time guys, let's get going. 10 jump squats starting now. Five burpees. And 10 calories of jumping jacks. Let's go. 15-minute workout today, guys. Don't forget, what a perfect subscription break. Workouts come out every Monday and Thursday. This is going to be a Thursday edition of our AMRAP workout. Like I said, it's about a minute of jumping jacks. About a minute to do the other exercises. So, hoping to go through about 7 or 8 rounds of this in about 15 minutes or so. Check my calorie count. Still got a little bit more to go. Up, raise up. Calories are going faster. Alright, we're at 15. Go straight to jump squat. No breaks. Let's go. 1. Jump with me, come on, this is round number 2. Keep going. Show me the cardio, show me how good it is. Show me how strong your hearts are. Keep it up. This is not easy. Stay with me. Calorie check. A little way to go. Obviously, it's an approximate. I'm taking an approximate number. And this is just my watch. And we don't have the fancy wind bike. 36, here we go. Jump squats. 10. Alright, on the ground. And back into jumping jacks. Whew. Saw something different today, guys. I didn't wear shoes. and really short stops. Changing it up a little bit this week. Welcome to my basement. Welcome to Power Weight Training. And hopefully you are warmed up. I know. Sky knows I am. Woo. Keep it up. Calorie check. Still a couple more to go. Now that my heart rate is up, calories move faster, so it's not quite a minute of jumping jacks. Alright, jump squats it is. 1, 2, stay with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, come on. 8, 9, and 10. Shake those legs out. Those quadzillas. Now let's go for burpees. Chest to grass. 1, 2, 3, 2 more. 4, 1 more. And 5. Back to jumping jacks. We're a little more than a third of the way done. Stay with me, keep moving. 15 minutes of movement, no breaks. Stay strong. Less than 10 minutes left now. You got this, I got this. We all have it, come on. Keep jumping. A lot of cardiac work today. A lot of leg work. They're gonna hurt tomorrow, and that's okay. Keep on doing this, guess what? After a while, they'll stop hurting. Then change it up. And 5 minutes, use different exercises. Stay with me, come on. Calorie check. 1 more calorie. 5 more jump dips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Jump squats. Woo. Jumping. Let's go. 1, could say my knees were hurting. 2, 3, starting at the best thing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 5 burpees. And let's go. And down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. And 5. Stay with me, back to jumping jacks. 90 calories in, stopping at 100. 101. That's the case of we're just over 90. Stay with me, keep jumping. Guys, this workout is not a cure. If you're looking to lose weight, this workout is not a cure or anything. This workout is just a workout that's going to burn about 150 calories. That's all it is. It's not a 2-week plan. It's not a 2-month plan. It's a 2-year plan you should be on. Stay with me for these next 2 years. Repeat these workouts. I have about 150, 160 workouts on my channel. Go check them out. Some are high intensity, some not so much. All are fun. 1 more calorie, 5 more jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! Shake it out. We're 8 minutes in and we're more than halfway, guys. And let's do some jump squats. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I'm going for 5 burpees. My feet are hurting and I'm wearing shoes today. Something different, like I said. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Woo. And we're going for jumping jacks. Let's keep going. Come on. Hey guys, I'm gonna be turning 50 in a couple months. Leave your comments below. Maybe one workout special you would like to see on my 50th birthday. We'll get it done. We'll film it, we'll post it, and we'll have fun with it. Now it's the start of the week. I'm working hard. As always, one thing for all the workouts, guys. I work just as hard as you do, and I have just as much fun as you are having right now. Let's go. Quick check, 4 more calories. Stay with me, jump with me. I hope I pressed the record button because I really would hate to do this again right now. Woo. Calorie check, 1 more. 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Go for jump squats, guys. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we're going for burpees. We're at less than 5 minutes left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more. That's 5. Stay with me, stay with me. 4 minutes left. Jumping jacks, 10 calories, let's go. Come on. Jump with me, almost done. It's not so bad. Once we get going, we just go through the motions. Finish line is getting close. I have no idea what round I'm on. It doesn't matter. I'm going as hard, as fast as I can for the 15 minutes. Come on, stay with me. Jump, 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 come on. 3 more calories. 8, 4, let's go for 4. We want to cut it short. Nice. Keep it up, keep it up. Don't stop. Let's go. 1 more. 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. You know what's next? Jump squats. That took a little less than a minute. That's the rock and roll, people. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Work with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. And we go for 5 burpees. Chest to the ground, guys. Let's go for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push up and jump. 5. We have 2.5 minutes left. We got 1 more round at least enough. Let's go. 4, 10 calories. Come on. I can't speak anymore. I'm foaming in my mouth. Beautiful thing. We jump and we go. Jump with me. Keep up with me. Come on. Be strong. You got 2 minutes left. At this point, you have to finish. You can see the finish line. You get ready to sprint. You see the guy next to you. You're on his shoulder. Keep it up with him. Drag the net. Staying in his head. That's what you do. This is how we always get to the finish. We follow 3 lane needs. That's how we get it done. Jump with me, keep jumping, keep jumping. Stay with me, guys, stay with me. Couple more calories, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, jump squats, guys. We have a little more than a minute left. Let's get these done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, 5, 6. Deep squat. 7, High jump, 8, 9, as high as you can get, and 10. We have 5 burpees in us, let's get it done. Woo. 1, 2, 3, 2 more, 4, and 5. We're not at 15 minutes yet, guys. We have 20 seconds left. Let's just get these 10 calories in. We'll go a little bit over. A little over is better than a little less. Stay with me. Come on. It's only 10 calories. It's all done. Oh, 45 seconds. We'll go a little over 15 minutes. We're good. We're happy. We're having fun. We're jumping. Stay with me. Woo. Jump, jump, jump. I'll let you know when to stop. Not yet. 3 more calories. Hell, let me go to 200. I'm at 198. I want to see a nice round number when I upload this information. Stay with me. Let's go. And that's 200 calories, guys. And that does it for our CrossFit inspired home workout minus all the equipment. All we did is 3 exercises: jump squats, burpees, and jumping jacks. Guys, if you like this type of content, I always remind you, like, subscribe. More importantly, come back every Monday or Thursday for a new workout that you can enjoy. I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for joining me today. I'm out.